A very good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain 14 marks problems of activity based costing. And this is the problem number 1 for 14 marks. And this question was asked in the year 2019 question paper. So let's go through the problem. The budgeted overhead and cost driver volumes of SA Limited as follows. So this is cost pool. So first material procurement cost, next setup cost, maintenance cost, quality control cost, then cost of machinery. So material procurement is based on number of orders and machine setup is based on number of setups and maintenance cost is based on maintenance hours and quality control is based on number of inspections and the cost of machinery is based on the number of machine hours. So this is the cost incurred to produce a product and this is the basis for allocation of cost. Now the company has produced a batch of 300 components of X. So here company producing 3000 units. The company has produced a batch of 3000 components of X, which means company producing 3000 units of product X and its material cost was rupees 1,20,000. So to produce 3000 components of product X, the material cost was rupees 1,20,000 and labor cost was rupees 2,30,000. And next, the usage of activities of this batch are as follows. So number of material orders 20 and setup of machines 25, maintenance hours 600, number of inspections 30 and machine hours 2000. So this is the usage of activities incurred to produce 3000 components of product X. Now here we have to calculate first cost driver rates and then we have to calculate the cost of this batch and also ascertain the cost of the component, nothing but the total cost of the product and the cost per unit by using activity based costing. So first calculate activity driver rates. Now the solution. First calculate activity driver rates. So this is a solution. So first cost is material procurement cost. How much? Rupees 3,20,000. So rupees 3,20,000 is the material procurement cost and this is based on number of orders. How much number of orders? 800. So 800. So the cost per order will be rupees 400 per order. So the first activity driver rate is over. The second cost, setup cost, how much? Rupees 3 lakh. So rupees 3 lakh is the setup cost and this is based on number of setups. How much number of setups? 500. So 500. Now per setup will be rupees 600 per setup. Now the third one, maintenance cost. How much maintenance cost? 1,95,000. So 1,95,000 is the maintenance cost and that is based on maintenance hours. How much maintenance hours? 3,000. So 3,000. Now per maintenance hours will be rupees 65 per hour. Then the next cost of quality control, that is rupees 1,70,000 divided by, that is based on number of inspections 850. So 850. So per inspection is rupees 200 per inspection. Next, the next one, last one, cost of machinery. The cost of machinery is 4,25,000. 4,25,000 divided by, that is based on number of machine hours. How much? 25,000. So 25,000 equals per cost per machine hour is rupees 17 per machine hours. Per machine hour. So here the activity driver rates are over. Now prepare the statement of cost. So this is the statement of cost. Cost sheet under ABC method. So only one product is there. So this is a statement of cost sheet under ABC method. The first cost is material cost. So material cost was rupees 1,20,000. So cost of material is 1,20,000. Material cost 1,20,000. Then the cost of labor. How much labor cost? 2,30,000. So labor cost 2,30,000. Now add activity cost. So the first activity is what? Material procurement. The first activity is material procurement. So here material procurement. So material procurement is based on what? Material procurement is based on number of orders. So here the number of orders is 20. So 20 orders were incurred to produce a product X. So material order is 20. So here 20 multiplied by, what's the cost per order? So cost per order is rupees 400. Rupees 400. Now the cost of material procurement will be 20 multiplied by 400, that is 8,000. The next activity cost is, this is the first activity cost. The second one, what's the second one? Second one, machine setup. So second one, machine setup. Machine setup. So here the machine setup is, the setup of machines is 25. So 25 multiplied by, so cost per setup is rupees 600 per setup. Rupees 600 per setup. So 25 multiplied by 600, 15,000. So setup cost is over. The next one, maintenance cost. The third one, maintenance cost. Maintenance cost. So maintenance cost is based on maintenance hours. So here the maintenance hours will be 600. So maintenance hour is 600. So 600 multiplied by 600 multiplied by, so cost per maintenance hours will be how much? 65 per maintenance hours. 65. So 600 multiplied by 65 will be 39,000. Now maintenance cost is over. The next one, fourth one, next one, quality control. So quality control is based on number of inspections. So here quality control, that is based on number of inspections. So here number of inspections is 30. So 30 multiplied by, so cost per inspection is so much, cost per inspection is 200. So 30 multiplied by 200 equals 6,000. So cost of quality control is over. Now the last activity is cost of machinery. So the last one, machinery. So machinery is based on number of machine hours. So here the number of machine hours will be 2000. So 2000 multiplied by, so activity driver rate for machinery, how much? Rupees 17 per machine hours. So multiplied by rupees 17. So 2000 multiplied by 17, 34,000. Now all the activities were over. Now calculate total cost of the product. So total cost, how much total cost? So add all these, 1,20,000 plus 2,30,000 plus 8,000, 15,000 plus 39,000 plus 6,000 plus 34,000. You will get 4,52,000. So this is the total cost incurred to produce 3,000 components of product X. So how much total cost? Total cost is 4,52,000. So 4,52,000 incurred to produce 3,000 components of product X. Then what's the cost per unit? So in order to calculate cost per unit, the total cost should be divided by number of units. So here we have produced 3,000 components or 3,000 units. So 3,000 units. The cost per unit or the cost per component will be, cost per unit or cost per component will be 4,52,000 rupees incurred to produce 3,000 units. Then what's the cost per unit? So cost per unit will be 150.6 rupees. So this is the cost per unit. So total cost is 4,52,000 and the cost per unit is 150 rupees 60 paisa. So this is the solution for this problem. So this is cost sheet. First add material cost and labor cost, then add activity cost. You will get total cost. So this problem is very easy. The same similar type of problems were asked in the year 2018 question paper and also 2017 question paper. Only the amount figure is different and all other components were same. So once again I repeat, in first we should calculate activity driver rates. In order to calculate activity driver rates, copy this table. Okay, copy this table. Okay, by using this table, calculate activity driver rates, because material procurement is based on number of orders, setup is based on number of setup, maintenance is based on maintenance hours, quality control is based on number of inspection, machinery is based on number of machine hours, and you will get activity driver rates. And in cost sheet, first take material cost and labor cost, then take the activity wise cost. The first cost is material procurement. Material procurement is based on the number of material orders. Number of material order is 20, and the cost per order is, that we calculated here, 400 per order. So multiplied by with cost per order, you will get material procurement cost. Like this, do all other activities, you will get total cost, and in order to calculate cost per unit divided by number of units, you will get cost per unit. So this is the solution for this problem, this calculation of activity driver rate, and this is cost sheet.